Hey guys, I'm Ashling. Welcome to That Little Soy Thing. Okay, so during February I want to get out a range of different Valentine's videos. I don't know how many there's going to be, but this is one of them. This is a brownie recipe and I thought that, brownies, chocolate might suit Valentine's. Yeah, so this recipe is very easy. It only has a few ingredients and it's really just, the entire process is just melting, mixing, and throwing it in the oven. Like, it's very easy, it doesn't take much time at all. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a like, leave a comment down below because I need validation. And yeah, I'll see you guys again in the next video if you subscribe. So please subscribe. Okay, bye.